ask yourself, what is it that really matters? What is it we all want? There comes a time when we must judge for ourselves what is valuable and what is simply window dressing, fluff, or extraneous nothingness. Gold, silver, diamonds. We may judge wealth differently, but the one thing we can all agree on, the most valuable of life's commodities, is true love.
Myra, look at this.
What is it, Morty?
It's an oyster. Look, it's open.
Don't touch it, Morty. It'll give you an infection. And you know how you are.
I'm not gonna get an infection. I just want to look at it. Holy smokes, Myra.
Let me see.
Hey, this Colorado, man? I'm really trying to get to Colorado. You have any pot? I really need to get to Colorado.
No, this isn't Colorado. This is the beach. This isn't the Rocky Mountains. This is St. Augustine, Florida. Hey, you're lost. What are you supposed to be, man?
Well, I'm a genie, man. You know, I'm the genie of the Oyster. I'm famous. Don't you know who I am? You got any weed?
Genie, Morty, what's the sky? Let's get out of here. We're going to miss the early bird special.
No, really. I'm Frank, the Oyster Genie. I grant wishes.
Then I wish you'd get the hell out of here. Come on, Myra.
Well, you don't get it, do you? I don't look like it, but I'm the guy who grants wishes. I specialize in wishes. 3 per wishes. I mean, I make life good for people.
Good for people. We've got everything we need. 50 years of marriage we've got. Let's go.
Hold it, Myra. Hey, Genie. What can you give us?
You gotta be specific. Man, I think I still got a buzz from my last wish granting.
Well, I mean, when was that?
Is that your wish, man? You wanna know when my last buzz was?
No, hey, can you give us world peace? Or maybe cure cancer? Or maybe even healthcare for everyone?
Whoa, dude. I'm just a genie. I'm not a socialist. Only people can stop wars. And as far as the life and death thing, well, that's a God thing. I tried it once, wasn't pretty. Oh, ixnay on the more wishes, eh? Because only you can make somebody fall in love with you. And lastly, if you want health care, you gotta vote.
Hey, love we got.
A defective genie. Come on, Morty. Go.
Whoa, dudes, are you for real? I'm a freaking genie. I grant wishes.
Well, we really have everything we need right here. Our house is paid off. Our kids are grown. Everything's great. We got our health.
Young man, we have everything. John Lennon, he said it all. All you need is love. 50 years marriage we got. Love we got.
And some of them was good years.
That boy, I think he died. Shot. What a shame. Nice boy.
I don't believe what I'm hearing. I am a genie. I grant wishes. Listen, that's the deal. You gotta take these wishes. Okay, you know how much trouble I would be in if you don't get your wishes? All right, I'll admit, I'm not a very good genie, man, but I'm trying. And I'm sort of on like a genie probation. I mean, being a genie's really hard. Are you sure you don't have any pot?
Okay, Genie, to make you happy, give us $1 million. But then, beat it. It's time for the early bird special, and I want to take a nap.
Really? $1 million? Everybody asks for $1 million. I get that a lot. And let me tell you, money does not buy happiness. I'm witnessed it myself.
You, Genie, hurry up already. Give us $1 million.
Okay, here we go. Hold on, what do I say again? Abracadabra, alakazam, make $1 million for my good friends, Myra and Morty.
You're not a genie. You're a friggin' idiot. This is Venezuelan money. Venezuela's out of business, haven't you heard? This is worthless. Come on, Myra, let's get the hell out of here.
Whoa, wait, dude, hold on a second. I told you I wasn't a very good genie and I mess up a lot. But listen, being a genie's really hard, you know, sort of like that time warp consortium thingamajigabob. You know, it's difficult. We're not bad people. I mean, we do smoke a lot of weed. But besides that, you gotta be specific. You didn't say American dollars. So, I told you. I'm sorry.
You should be ashamed, making fun of old people. Come on, Morty.
Look, I said I'm sorry. Try again. Make your second wish.
Hey, Myra, let's give the boy a break. He's young, he doesn't know. Maybe you could give us another $1 million?
So, Genie, hurry up already. Give us $1 million. Come, let's go.
Okay, Genie, listen carefully. Jeez, this is getting monotonous. Gotta give us $1 million, but this time in American dollars. Not counterfeit, but real American dollars. And if you do this, then maybe, just maybe, we'll believe you're a real friggin' genius.
Really? Okay. Here it goes. 1 million American dollars. All right. Let's see. Are you ready for Oyster Genie wish number 2? Okay. Abracadabra, alakazam, make 1 million American dollars appear for my friends, Myra and more. Whoa, let's make it 1,100,000 American dollars for my good friends, Myra and Morty. That's a 10% tip.
Gee, so look who's such a big spender. 10%. Cheapskate.
Well, you think I'm made of money? Whoa, yeah!
Morty, look at this.
What's this? This isn't money.
Sure it is. It says Confederate States of America. Oh, wait. They were the losers, weren't they?
You have got to be the worst genie I've ever met. Just like my cousin Blanche's second son from her first marriage. Worthless.
Look, you seem like a nice boy, and I really hope you find your pot. I really do. But you're a terrible, terrible genie. We're done here. We don't need any more of your wishes. If anything, it just goes to show that we've got all we need right here, Myra and me. We're good, thank you. So, Genie, for my last wish, I wish you luck, because we're done.
on, Morty. Oh,
Miss Myra?
Morty. You're such the gentleman. Ah, and sweaty.
I'm sweating like a pig, of course I'm.
You moved to Florida. It's hot. You
sweat
sweat.
like a pig, yeah, I know.
Don't forget to bring the bag.
I won't forget the bag. Why don't you open the front door for me, lady?
You know, I'm not feeling the early bird.
Well, what you feeling, Myra?
Meatloaf.
Meatloaf would be great. How about
And gravy.
Perfect, perfect. You got some stuff?
Morty, don't forget the bag.
I won't forget the bag, Myra.
He always forgets the bag. Always forgets the bag. I need a new landscaper. And new pillow. So faded. Always, always. Don't forget.
I forgot the bag. I won't forget the bag. I got the bag. Get the front door.
I'm getting there.
Please, get the front door. Myra, hurry up, will you? Get the front door.
It's taking you so long.
Myra, give me a hand. What do you think took me so long?
Thanks, Lammy.
Friggin' bag?
Such a day we had.
Yeah, it was a great day. It was pretty stinking hot.
It was hot. Whew.
Have you paid this phone bill yet?
No, I haven't paid that bill. The kids don't call us anyway. So, what do you think? Was it real or what? I mean, you always say, if it's too good to be true, it is.
He was a nut, Myra. The world's full of nuts. Don't even think about him. And Myra, why was you flirting with the guy? You're always flirting with guys.
I wasn't flirting. You always think I'm flirting. Was he a famous chef or something? A genie chef. He always was looking for a pot. Was he going to cook something?
Myra, you ask a lot of questions.
Morty, I have one more.
What's that, sweetheart?
Will you make me or pour me a glass of wine?
You know I will.
You remembered the bag.
I remember that bag.
Thanks. Wow, it was a great day. right now. I love this. Hot. This is mine. What's this? Morty. Look, Morty.
Oh my God.
We're rich.
We are rich, Myra. Oh my God. Myra, you've always been my pearl.
Morty, you've always been my genie. I love you, Morty.
I love you, my pearl. Look, you seem like a nice boy, and I really hope you find your...
Back! Ah!
There we go. Still out. We're
That
still
was
in
a
action.
good, scary thing.
Here we are. You ready? Yeah. I want to see that. Thank you. Look,